see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I'm Adrian. If you guys are new here, I make videos on my 2018 Mustang GT and my 2008 BMW 335i. So for today's video, we're going to be in the 335i, and we're going to be putting on the intakes from SSR Performance. Check it out. I got the box right here. So yeah, let me go ahead and open them up for you guys, show you what they look like. I'm sure you guys all know what intakes look like, but really nice packaging from SSR Performance. In here. So these will be replacing the stock box. Got two of them. Just more bubble wrap. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw them on the 335 today. Once again, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. Stay tuned for a whole bunch more videos. Let's get right into it. Alright, so we'll be removing all this top part, but I already had it off, so that's all done. We're gonna remove this part here. Just unclip all these to get your box out. Set that aside. Got your filter in here. This is the old one, it's kind of crusty. Let's see. So yeah, just with a flathead screwdriver unscrew this part here. And I believe it's got one more right there. So let's get this off. Alright, yeah, so once you loosen these up, this will just pop right out. Same thing with the one back here. And then you'll disconnect this from there. This will pull right out. Out with the old box. Right here, and they've got these little aluminum clamps as well. So these will pretty much just go in here and clamp right there. It's a lot more space now without the air box there. Alright, so we're going to be putting the little support here for the intake right in there. And then you just get your intake. Just put it right in here. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so this one is in. Then you just go ahead and tighten them down with your flathead screwdriver. the other one on right here. So this one's already on here. So same thing, we just put it right in here and just clamp them down. Alright, make sure they're tight as fuck. You don't want them popping off when you're doing a pull. Alright, so they are in, and then you can just, you know, throw that out or whatever you want to do with that. I might keep the stock box just in case I get pulled over and have to switch it out. Alright, so once they're back in, just make sure to connect everything back. So this thing goes back in there, and then this part is just some screws right here and right here. You put that back on, make sure everything is nice and tight. me go ahead and turn it on. Alright guys, well the intakes are on from SSR Performance, and the JB4 tune is also back on. So right now we're gonna go ahead and go on a little drive to see what the difference feels like. Yeah, I'm really excited. I've always wanted to do this, always wanted the 335, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go do some pulls right now. Just letting the car warm up a little bit. So far it's been running perfectly fine. Started it, turned it off, started it again, and it's been pretty solid. So yeah, let's see some turbo noises. Second gear pull. Oh shit. Dang, she got a little sideways right there. Let's turn that off. Second gear. Fuck. Oh yeah. Let's do let's see, it's like a this thing moves. Oh, what the hell? Oh yeah.